it's me, GreenSwanica.PROetess, and I'm taking a nature walk in the West Virginia State Park. This is Thomason Run State Park, but it's actually pronounced, Tomlinson Run, but people locally call it Thomason Run. That's sort of an idiosyncratic regionalism and a regional idiosyncrasy. So anyhow, you can hear the birds. There's a gentle breeze. Lovely sunshine is mottling my walkway. I just saw a doe a few minutes ago and didn't get my camera out in time to film it in the woods. I'll have to be quicker next time so I can catch a beautiful deer view. I also saw a chipmunk, also known as a granny, from nearby Pennsylvanians. Grannies, chipmunks, they're the same. I'm going to close this video for now and quickly, there's me, back to the nature path. I'm going to close this video for now. Until next time, I'm GreenSwanica yours, because poetry and nature bloom eternal.